Before you step into the next days, I want you to take a deep breath and listen carefully. What I'm about to share with you before December 18th might be exactly what your heart has been waiting for. Not because something magical is going to happen on that date, but because you have the chance to create a shift that could change everything. So many of us move through life without noticing how close we are to a breakthrough. We delay our dreams, ignore our inner voice, and assume we have endless time. But sometimes, a single moment, a single date, can wake you up and remind you that your next chapter is waiting for you to claim it. This video is an invitation to look within, to refocus your energy, and to prepare yourself for the transformation you've been avoiding. Watch till the end. Your life may not feel the same after this. 1. December 18th, as a personal turning point. December 18th can act as a symbolic threshold, a moment that pushes you to pause and assess your life with deeper honesty. Dates have power because they create mental checkpoints. They remind you that time is moving, opportunities are passing, and your decisions still shape your future. When you attach meaning to a date, it becomes easier to break old patterns and start new ones. December 18th serves exactly that purpose, a meaningful marker that encourages you to reset your intentions and regain control over your direction. Many people wait for major events like a new year or birthday to make changes, but real transformation rarely needs a grand occasion. A single date, when consciously chosen, can awaken a sense of urgency and purpose. By focusing on December 18th, you give yourself permission to evaluate what matters most, from your habits to your mindset, and adjust anything that no longer aligns with your growth. It becomes a personal deadline that motivates action instead of procrastination. This turning point isn't about external circumstances. It's about telling yourself that evolution is possible right now. December 18th becomes a reminder that your life can shift the moment you decide you are ready for something better. 2. Reflecting on current life direction. Taking a moment to reflect on where your life is heading allows you to reconnect with your true intentions. Often, people move through their days on autopilot, carrying routines that no longer serve them. By pausing to examine your direction, you gain the clarity to understand whether your actions support the person you want to become. This kind of reflection isn't about judging yourself. It's about recognizing the gap between where you are and where you genuinely desire to be. When you look closely at your habits, you begin to see which ones lift you and which ones hold you back. This awareness reveals patterns that might have gone unnoticed, such as unnecessary distractions, negative thinking, or lack of focus. At the same time, it highlights strengths and qualities that you can build upon. Reflecting on your emotional state is equally important, as your feelings often guide you toward what needs attention or healing. This process also helps you refine your priorities. You may discover goals that no longer align with your values or new ambitions that deserve more energy. By understanding your current path clearly, you gain the ability to redirect your efforts with purpose. With honest reflection, you create space for meaningful growth and wiser decisions. 3. Choosing one. Transformational goal. Selecting a single, meaningful goal creates a powerful sense of direction. When people try to change too many things at once, their energy becomes scattered and progress slows. Focusing on one transformational goal allows you to give your full attention to something that truly matters. This goal should be something you've been postponing, an action that has the potential to elevate your life, strengthen your discipline, or open new opportunities. It could relate to your personal growth, health, relationships, spirituality, or long-term dreams. The key is choosing a goal that excites you, challenges you, and aligns with the future you want to build. Once selected, break it into simple, achievable steps. This prevents overwhelm and helps you stay consistent, even on days when motivation weakens. Each small accomplishment fuels momentum and reinforces your belief that change is possible. Committing to a single goal also teaches you responsibility and patience. It trains your mind to follow through instead of giving up halfway. Over time, this commitment reshapes your identity. You begin to see yourself as someone capable of achieving what you once delayed. By dedicating yourself to one purposeful goal, you create a ripple effect that influences your habits, mindset, and confidence, leading to deeper transformation. 4. Small daily actions create big results. Meaningful change rarely comes from dramatic, one-time decisions. It grows from the small actions you choose to repeat every day. These tiny steps may seem insignificant at first, but they accumulate quietly, shaping your habits and eventually transforming your entire lifestyle. Consistency is what turns effort into progress. When you commit to small actions, they become easier to maintain, allowing you to build momentum without feeling overwhelmed. Daily actions also strengthen discipline. Even on days when motivation is low, taking one simple step, reading a page, practicing gratitude, organizing a task, or dedicating a few minutes to prayer or self-improvement keeps you aligned with your intentions. Over time, these moments stack up and create visible changes in your mindset and results. What once felt difficult becomes part of your natural routine. Small daily steps also protect you from the pressure of perfection. Instead of waiting for the right time, you focus on doing what you can today. This shift in mindset reduces stress and keeps you moving forward, no matter how slow the progress may seem. Eventually, these consistent actions reshape your identity and build a strong foundation for long-term success. Through steady effort, big outcomes become not only achievable, but inevitable. 5. Strengthening spirituality and discipline. Strengthening your spirituality brings a sense of grounding that helps you stay steady through challenges and uncertainties. When you deepen your connection with your faith, you begin to see life with more clarity and calmness. Spiritual practices, whether prayer, reflection, or gratitude, remind you of your higher purpose. They help you shift your focus from temporary worries to long-term meaning. This inner alignment allows you to make decisions from a place of peace rather than pressure. Alongside spirituality, discipline plays a crucial role in shaping the life you desire. Discipline is not about perfection or harsh self-control. It is the ability to stay committed to what matters, even when distractions try to pull you away. It teaches you to follow through on your intentions and create routines that support your growth. When spirituality and discipline work together, they create balance. Spirituality nourishes your heart, while discipline strengthens your actions. This combination also builds emotional stability. You become less reactive, more patient, and more focused. You start valuing moments of silence, reflection, and intentional effort. By nurturing your spiritual connection and reinforcing your discipline, you train yourself to rise above excuses and stay loyal to the path that leads to your best self. 6. Belief in new beginnings. Believing in new beginnings gives you the strength to move forward, no matter what has happened in the past. Every person carries memories, regrets, and moments they wish had turned out differently. But growth starts when you accept that yesterday does not limit what you can become tomorrow. A new beginning is not defined by a date on the calendar. It is defined by a shift in your mindset. When you allow yourself to start fresh, you open the door to opportunities that were once blocked by doubt and fear. This belief encourages you to release old habits, forgive yourself for mistakes, and embrace possibilities you previously overlooked. It also nurtures hope, which is essential for personal transformation. Hope reminds you that change is worth the effort, even when the results are not immediate. New beginnings teach you to trust the process. You stop expecting instant success and start valuing steady progress. Every step becomes meaningful because it contributes to a future you are consciously shaping. This mindset helps you stay resilient, especially during difficult moments, because you know that every challenge can be the starting point of something better. When you believe in new beginnings, you give yourself permission to grow beyond limitations and step confidently into your next chapter. As you move forward from today, remember that change begins the moment you choose it. December 18th is not just a date. It's your reminder that you are capable of resetting your life with intention and faith. Keep believing, keep growing, and trust that Allah is guiding every step you take. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Purpose Deen for more uplifting content. Before you leave, type this beautiful prayer in the comments. May Allah open doors of ease, risk, and success for me and my family.